channel. So today's video is going to be October Ipsy unbagging and just telling you a bit about the product, that how much I love some of these products in here. I was just like, oh my world. This is October bag. I think it's super cute. Month theme is about the bag. It's carry your AM after midnight essentials, red clutch and bow with a masking mask. So that's what it says on the app, on the website about the bag. I think it's super cute and perfect for October theme. So, okay, let me just say something. So I couldn't find all 5 products. I will tell you about the first one. I don't know where it is in my room, but it's somewhere. So one of the products I did get was the 1-1 Skin Face Defendant Bright Eye Lift Gel. One, I'm probably not going to use it. So it's somewhere in my room, but this is what it looks like. That's what it looks like. It's a space defined bright eye lift gel. Basically, it just makes your eyes brighter under the eye. I'm gonna go on to the stuff that I can find from October. So which one product do I want to talk about? These 4 products I really love. Second product is the Yes Color Plus Face Toner Primer. This is an essential glow. Basically, it just brightens your face as a primer, but it gives your face a little glow during the day. I haven't tried it yet, but I'll definitely be trying it very soon. And also it's very moisturizing, so I'm excited. I always need some moisture. It's a pretty decent size for a sample. So that's the first product. Next is the City Color Glow Pro Stellar Iridescent Highlight in Nebula. Love the color. This is the packaging. It's really pretty. It's a very pretty blue color, which I never would have expected to actually kind of like. I'll swatch it. Very sparkly. I really like this is what it looks like. It's very sparkly. I kind of like it. It's definitely a little different, but it's for if you want a fun look. I definitely would wear this again, and it's like a full-size product. Next, this is the Balm. You guys know I love the Balm. So this is from the Balm. This is Take Home the Bronzer. I don't wear bronzers. I know I am pale as a ghost. Please don't tell me that. I know that. But this is a bronzer in color Oliver. I will swatch it. It actually might work for me. Let's see. That's the swatch. Kind of very light. It actually might work for my skin because I am very pale. I definitely will try this because I don't really wear bronzer, but I'm excited to try another Balm product. And lastly, but not least, is the Holy Grail Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is the double duty beauty. I'm actually wearing it right now. I am obsessed with this. I understand why everybody loves this. And the fact that Ipsy sent me Tarte Shape Tape, I'm just like, what? So this is the applicator. I'll show you guys. You haven't seen it before. This is the applicator. It's really amazing. It works so well. It blends in so well. It is literally the best. I'm wearing it right now, as you guys know. I definitely don't think it's as cakey as my other concealers that I normally wear. So I think I'm definitely going to be purchasing a big size of this because it is just amazing. And that is everything in Ipsy's October month. I really enjoyed the products this month. I definitely give it a big thumbs up in my review of this month. And that is all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know down below. do you like these Ipsys? I don't think there'll be many more of these because I'll be ending my subscription, but maybe I'll be renewing sometime in the near future, most likely. But I'll be taking a little break from them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give a big thumbs up. Let me know down below. Do you subscribe to Ipsy? What are your thoughts on your bag this month? And that is all. And I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and bye.